So what's up everyone, this is Aaryan and you're watching Tech Salon, and in this video I'm going to unbox the Mivi Duopods M1, which are the best budget truly wireless earphones. So now that we're done with the intro, let's now get started. So behind the box it has super solid base, water and sweat proof, one touch pairing, noise cancellation and a long battery life. Pairing of these Bluetooth earphones is incredibly simple. It just connects to your phone when you open the lid. Unboxing the Mivi Duopods M1 was a pretty good experience. After removing all the plastic that we have used with this, we have a paper seal which we have to break, and after that, opening up the box, we have ourselves a warranty card from Mivi. And yes, that's what Apple does, and they have copied it. And then after that, we have Mivi Duopods M1 in the case, and removing the plastic, we have the Mivi case, which is actually built out of fully plastic, which is polycarbonate, and it is a glazy plastic which can easily attract scratches. And at the back it is written that it has 600 milliampere battery, which does last for a long time. Opening of the box with the Mivi Duopods, and they are truly wireless earphones, and yes, they look absolutely gorgeous in their glory. And yes, the box does not have some amazing clicky noise which we get with the AirPods. And then we have the ear tips with us in the box, and a micro USB cable. Sadly, I thought that my USB type C might be bundled in the box. The pairing process of the Mivi Duopods M1 is very simple. You just have to open the lid and you are connected. And if you are connecting it for the first time, you just have to open the lid and you just have to select Mivi Duopods in your phone. Today is something special because we have completed 2 complete years on our channel, because I had started this channel on 12th August 2017 and it's 12th August 2019. So we have completed 2 years and we have 150 subscribers. We have not grown a lot because I don't upload videos frequently because of my school timings and I can't manage the schedule. But today, as we complete 2 years, I was able to upload this video. So thank you for watching this video and I'll catch you guys later.